Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to find your wallet address on Bitget Wallet. First, let's open the app. Go to Wallet. Here, tap on My Wallet. Here you can copy your Ethereum wallet address. Now go back and let's find Solana address. Tap on Ethereum icon. Here choose Solana. Now if you will go to My Wallet, you have your Solana address. If you change to all networks, you will have the EVM address, but it will be the same as the Ethereum one. And that's it. Now you know your wallet address. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.